Hey guys, Daniel Chucky Sanders. We're here at my place here in Three Bridges. Let's go check out the man cave. Here we are at the entrance of the cave. So this is my little general work area, the first bay. Just got everything laying around, trying to have everything as organised as possible. This is my first box I had back in 2015, so when I was KDM, got the orange. Now we're on red, so have to get the spray can out, gears laid out nicely, a few trophies up there, all the first, all the winning ones, the seconds and thirds and last go out the back there. My first AORC winning outright bike up there, the 300 KDM, and this is was meant to be my Fink race bike here. That I didn't get to race last year because I broke my femur, so that's all good. 6-day winning bike outright in 2019, so that's hung up on the wall. The newest addition to the shed is the SP Tools Sumo roller cabinet. My favourite part about this is the soft closed drawers, just nice. And we're going to get geared up and get down on the motocross track and go shredding.